Dear friends, Anandam Sanyal here. I am a passionate marketer and salesman, and my sole objective in life is to motivate people who are willing to shine in the marketplace in marketing and sales. I try to share the different ideas and whatever I have learned from my seniors, colleagues, as well as junior working in the field for past 2 decades. As promised in my last video, today I will discuss about the next step, which is vital if you want to do better and make your mark in these COVID times. Now the first step was engaging with your customers. Since whenever you are marketing online or in person, whatever, it is always a two-way process. Let us assume that you have succeeded in that. Now, what next when you are doing it online or in person, whatever? But you have to remember that in online you have to be very cautious since a lot of external factors also come into play. Now, the next step is very important for you in order to cater to your prospect. It is the way you approach the conversation which is happening between you and the prospect. Are you reacting to what he or she is saying, or are you responding to what he or she is saying? This process will make all the difference in the relationship, which is going to bring you fruitful results in times to come. Remember, these are very tough times for entire humanity. Both people are mentally and physically stressed. There is a huge amount of pressure that is on everyone. You have to give space to the prospect to offload his thoughts. He might show irritation, might be discussing things which are irrelevant to you. Maybe anger sometimes can also reflect in the way he is talking with you. But never react to what he or she is saying. Always respond in a calm manner. Be patient. Wait for the initial storm to pass. Now, here the storm is not the cyclone or tornado, it's basically the words which are accumulated in his heart and he wants to speak them out, or she wants to let all the feelings or whatever thoughts was there to come out from her mind, her heart. I mean, it's a way that they want to lighten up a bit. If possible, understand what the problem is, and if you have some kind of solution, be courteous enough to help them to come out of that particular problem. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. If you react, the customer or prospect will either go into a defense, passive mode, or in an anger mode. Both are destructive for your business or whatever goal you are trying to achieve. However, if you respond in a friendly manner, soon you will see that the prospect is seeking guidance. At that point, hold his hand or her hand and guide the prospect carefully, putting your point to complete the transition from what he or she was saying to what you wish to say. Trust me, you will get astounding results. I will discuss about another aspect in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your co-workers, colleagues, juniors in order to help them. Thank you.